Let me ask you this. What would you do if someone you love was silently suffering and afraid to seek help because of what others might think? HIV is more than just an health issue. It is a social issue that affects millions of Filipinos worldwide. Yet, many of us shy away from talking about it. Today, I invite you to join me in the breaking the silence and confronting the stigma around HIV. Together, we will understand the realities of HIV, the impact of stigma, and how we, as future educators, can lead the fight for compassion and awareness. Let's start with the basics. HIV, or human immunodeficiency virus, attacks the body's immune system, making it harder to fight infections. The good news? HIV is no longer a death sentence. With proper treatment through antimicrobial therapy or ART, people living with HIV can lead long and healthy lives. But here's the problem. Stigma and misinformation persist. How many of you have heard the myth that HIV can spread through casual contact, like hugging or sharing food? But that's simply not true. HIV can only be transmitted through unprotected sex, sharing needles, or from mother to child during childbirth or breastfeeding. Stigma doesn't just hurt, but it kills. Let me share you a story. Maria, a 23-year-old aspiring teacher, feared getting tested for HIV because of the judgment she might face. When she finally sought help, her condition had already progressed. Maria's story is not unique. Across the globe, stigma discourages individuals from knowing their status or accessing life-saving treatments. But here's the reality. How do we expect to fight an epidemic when silence keeps people from seeking help? This is where we, as future educators, come in. Education is the most powerful tool to combat ignorance. In our classrooms, we can introduce comprehensive sexuality education that provides accurate information about HIV. Teach your students that knowing their status is a sign of strength, but not a shame. Help them understand the importance of safe practices and regular testing. And most importantly, teach them empathy. Advocacy starts within us. As educators, let us create a safe space where students feel free to ask questions without judgment. Let us challenge, meet, and encourage open conversations about HIV. Let us support campaigns that provide free testing and accessible treatment. Let us use platforms to raise awareness and share different resources. Most importantly, let us lead by example. When students see us treating this topic with care, compassion, and respect, they will learn to do the same. HIV is not just a medical issue. It is a reflection of society's attitude and ignorance. Together, we have the power to break the stigma, encourage testing, and ensure no one faces discrimination for their status. So, I will leave you with this question. What role will you play in this fight? As future educators, we can inspire compassion, spread awareness, and drive action. Remember, the fight against HIV is not just about fighting the virus itself, but it's about healing our society from ignorance and prejudice. So let us choose to be happy, let us be empathetic, and let us be knowledgeable, and let us hope for a better change in our society. This is Mark Delino, and I hope that you enjoyed in my message. Thank you for watching.